Hello from Circle. In this video, we will see how to use I2C displays with LCD Shield. The LCD character displays is most used displays in the Maker universe, but this component needs a lot of connection to the Arduino. This process sometimes going to be really annoying to complete projects. If you decide to use LCD display, you need a lot of components. One breadboard, one potentiometer, one 220 ohm resistor, some jumper cables, Arduino and displays. You need to make a circuit on breadboard, and this process is not primitive and take a lot of time. The energy of you have spent for use this LCD is not worth it. LCD shield and board designed for save you from this situation. LCD shield can attach to Arduino, and this is really simple and easy. First step for coding is installing libraries. You can download libraries from circleelectronic.com. At the bottom of the LCD shield and board page, you can see the download links part. Click and download LiquidCrystal and LiquidCrystal I2C libraries. After downloaded it, you need to install to Arduino. Open the Arduino IDE and click Sketch. Include library, add zip library, and find the library file. And click Choose. I2C library is same like LiquidCrystal. For I2C displays coding, we will use example Hello World from library. Some I2C displays addresses is different from here. If your display is not working after uploaded code, you need to change addresses like shown. After uploaded code, attach the display like shown. And get powered. You can buy LCD shield and board on circleelectronic.com. Thanks for watching.